Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Cook with Mrs. Umami. In this video, I'm going to bake the Guinness Brown Bread. Let's get started. Preheat the oven at 375 Fahrenheit. Heat up some black treacle at medium heat. Add some unsalted butter to the black treacle. Keep stirring until all the butter melts. Turn off the heat and let it cool down. I will prepare all the dry ingredients. Some coarse wholemeal flour, plain flour, brown sugar, a little salt, baking powder, baking soda. Mix them well. Next, I will mix all the wet ingredients. When the butter and black treacle cool down, add 1 bottle of Guinness to the same saucepan. Add some buttermilk. Gradually add the fluid to the dry ingredients. Mix them well until no loose flour in the mixing bowl. Transfer the batter to the baking tin. I will bake it for 45 minutes at 375 Fahrenheit. Time is up. Let's check the bread. Let's do the calculation. This is the price list of all my ingredients. So, this Guinness Brown Bread cost me just over $8. I'm going to enjoy this brown bread with my beef and Guinness stew, and that will be my next video. Thanks for watching.